Alright, race has started. Let's see, there's Carpe Diem. We got Second Wind and Motley Crue. Back there in the background, that is Ben with no boat name, the 25-foot hunter. And it looks like George way back there in the back. We'll probably see more George today, as usual. And there's Blue Nose. Yeah. They're starting to make their way around the south end of Snake. And of course, Dwight is way over there. Can't see him anymore, I guess. The camera's getting it. But we are heading to Goat. Snake. Everybody's coming around.